Hi everybody, welcome to the tutorial. Today we're talking about saving an image from Photoshop. First, you'll need to go to File, which is here at the top left corner, and click on it. And then you'll need to click on Save As. If this is your first time saving something on your computer, you'll get this message and you'll need to decide where you want to save things. I'll save them on my computer. Next, you'll need to select a location to save your documents. And I will just save it in my downloads. And you need to give your image a title. So I'll call mine this. Select TIFF as your file type for an archival file. TIFF is a computer file format for storing raster graphic images, such as the ones produced by Photoshop. And you can also select JPEG for a file that you want to use online. Once you've decided on the file type, the format, and the title, then you can click on Save. If you selected TIFF, an options window will pop up. Make sure none is checked under image compression here at the top. For the byte order, you want to select on IBM PC, right there. Next, you click on OK. And that is it for saving your file from Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching.